Bachho TV. E for apple. B for banana. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for line. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for man. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra.
For kids learning, please subscribe this channel, Pogo TV.